Okay, now channels 9 and 10 are working as you this optical SP diff, Sony Philips, digital whatever, and optical toslink thing is working here, and it goes to this DAC, and then inside the multi-channel streamer project is going on. I had little difficulties. One of these PCM converters, this one was broken. It only gave me one channel, so I need to throw it in the trash. Yeah. Seems that one of these Chinese quality things are not so good, but they're cheap. There's my bench power supply, and okay, 10 channels are working finally. Thank you for this short video. Goodbye.